All right. So, hello, everybody. This is Landon Hosto. I am a professional gaffer for the last 20 plus years. I've worked on the Kardashians for over 12 years. Done the last 4 or 5 seasons of the Ultimatum, Love Island, Beyond the Villa, and many other reality shows, some commercials, some movies, and TV shows. What I'm saying is I know lighting. I know how to make people look great under lights. I know what looks good. I know what looks bad. And recently, I was on a Zoom call with a bunch of my producer friends, and they were not very well lit. And I'm showing you as an example of how to not light yourself. So I'm going to give you a trick. This is a couple things that I've learned over the years. If you notice, the background is really hot. We call this nuclear hot. It's white. You can't see any detail. There's really not much light coming towards you, so you don't have anything that is lit falling on your face. You don't look good. There's many ways to look better, and I'm going to teach you something very easy that you could do day one if you want to look better on your Zoom calls, if you want to look better on your tutorials, you want to look better on your web auditions, DIYs, anything you use to record yourself. I'm going to show you just very, very easy and basic. So, first, position yourself where you're going to be lit the best. You want to find your light. You want to find where that light is coming from. And in this example, our light is coming from behind me. So right now, my back is being lit by all this natural sunlight. Now, if I had a job, I would bring in a big light, big HMI, big LED to counterbalance what's going on back there to what's going on in front of my face or the woman's face or the man's face. We don't have that. You don't have that. Maybe this is just a video call, so we're going to do something very simple. We're going to flip the world and use that natural light. I got a garbage guy coming in. Hold on. Okay. So we're going to flip the world and use that natural light we're going to flip the world, use the natural daylight coming in. It's soft, it's beautiful, it's not direct, as you can tell. Unless I lean all the way back, it's not going to hit me direct, so it's going to be a more pleasant and beautiful light on us, on the subject, sorry. It'll be a more pleasant light on the subject. So, what I'm going to do, what you would do, is if you are looking at your Zoom call and you see a really bright window behind you, you don't want that, okay? Look at this, where's this? This window is so bright, it's like a nuclear bomb went off, and it's that brightness that you can't even look, you can't see, it's too much, and it overpowers any of the light that comes in here. Now with these automatic cameras, you're gonna get this. The closer I lean, it starts to expose for just the skin, but it blows out the background. It doesn't look as good. So what we're gonna do is pick up our camera, or in this case, laptop, and we are going to walk around to this side, and you can already see how much better this is for us. Now, as you can tell, look at that. Here, I'm going to flip seats. Okay, all right, bear with me, people. I'm not the greatest of doing this solo. As you can see, look at this. Look at the lighting on my face. Look, it fills all the cracks, the wrinkles, and the pockets. I don't have a deep, shadowy visage anymore. Now I'm using that natural light coming through the window. It's pouring on my face very nice and gently and soft. It's not direct. It's a beautiful light. Now, another thing you could do, and if you need a light, or a better eye light on this side, you can use my Zoom light, plug it in. Look at that. Look at the twinkle in my eye now. Look at that. Beautiful. Fills in the rest of the shadow side. Look at that. See? It's easy. In, out. Helps you look more flattering, more beautiful, nice and soft, not a harsh light. easy to look at. Perfect for your Zoom calls, and now you are ready. That's the biggest, easiest fix for you guys to do. So simple. Turn around. That's the tip of the day. Do not face a bright window. Make the window in front of you to use the natural daylight to light you. And if you want an extra light, this is what I use. I use the Zoom light. Check it out on my website. It's easy, cheap, and wonderful. It's one of the best ones out on the market, made by professionals like me. All right, now if you want help dialing in your look, hit me up on Instagram, DM me, leave me a comment, like me, and I'll try and get back to you as much as I can. My Instagram handle is L3_LED_ZIGN. That's L3_LED design. Hope you're well. May the light shine on your face. Love you lots.